the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Hi everyone, welcome back and a very good Sunday afternoon to you. We are seeing some light shower activity across the region right now. This is a live look at the Doppler radar. And again, it's not a whole lot. We have a weak frontal boundary in the northern sections of the state. And of course, with our afternoon sea breeze, we're getting a little bit of activity, but of course, most of us are staying dry. So as we zoom in on what we got going on from Refugio going along 202 over to Beeville, we have a couple of little hefty little showers that are dropping a decent amount of rainfall, but nothing is severe out there. We could see winds go out to about 30 miles an hour associated with these little showers here, and they are stretching on to the south near Skidmore and near Tynan as well, working towards Woodsboro too. And again, as we go further down right over the city of Orange Grove, you folks are getting a nice dousing there just south of Sandia going along 624 and 359, and elsewhere across the region we have some light little showers just north of Fremont and near Benavides and near Concepcion as well, just to the south of Freer. Other than that, that is about it, and that takes us to the weather story with the sea breeze and that weak frontal boundary up to the north of us. That's where we're getting a few showers across the region, but as we go throughout the week, high pressure, upper level high pressure is going to take over, and what that means for us here is slim opportunity for some rain, and it's also going to mean continued above normal temperatures for us. As far as the tropics are concerned, there is no tropical threat for us here, but of course we're going to be watching that pretty closely over the next several days, especially now that we are in the month of August. As we look at the cloud rain forecast, again, we have a few of those clouds that are lingering across the area, and as we lose the daytime heating, a lot of that activity is going to start to go away. It's going to lose its heat source to actually build some of those clouds, but of course we have sinking air in the upper levels of the atmosphere, so I'm not anticipating anything to go severe. We start off with more cloud coverage early in the morning, and then as we go throughout the afternoon, the sea breeze will kick in once again, so one or two little showers, especially favoring the inland areas of the coastal bend. Here in Corpus Christi, I'm just not seeing it. We may see a brief shower early in the day, but it has to start off early before the afternoon sea breeze kicks in and it pushes inland, and we'll repeat the process on Tuesday morning and on into Tuesday afternoon. But if you have evening plans for tonight, again, it should be fairly nice out there, but it is going to be fairly warm too. Again, we're at 96 degrees right now. By 10 o'clock, we'll be into the lower 80s with southeasterly winds 10 to 15. Those will lighten up later on tonight and eventually take us into the middle to upper 70s early tomorrow morning. So we'll call it 76, tranquil and mild to start off the day. A passing shower at noontime, again, favoring the inland folks. 92 there and already 96 at 5 o'clock with those heat index values at 106, ranging up to 114 degrees. Be sure to stay hydrated out there. Upper 80s to middle 90s near the coastline. We'll look for 97 here and triple-digit heat from George West to Freer, all the way down south to Falfurrias as well. The wind's not going to be too bad tomorrow, east-southeasterly about 10 to 15, but then as we go into Tuesday, they pick up a little bit more, and even on Wednesday and Thursday, we'll call it breezy with southeasterly winds sustained at 15 to 20 miles an hour. There's a weak frontal boundary, high pressure off into the Gulf, again giving us a good tap of moisture coming in, and of course the showers are pretty peppery over the region, not doing a whole lot. Frontal boundaries up to the north are going to stay put, and this is why upper level high pressure is very close by, and that's going to continue to stay with us, but that's delivering very hot temperatures all across the U.S. And as we go into Tuesday afternoon, notice it moves a little bit more to the east, and then by Wednesday, Thursday, and on into Friday, it is sitting right on top of us, and that just means brutal heat for us in South Texas. Or NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 76 and 97 tomorrow, only a straight isolated shower, 77 and 98 on Tuesday. Same process on Wednesday there, blazing hot and humid, winds pick up by Friday.